Hi guys, how are you all? How's your weekend going? I hope everyone is doing fine and great. So let's talk about some like file functions we were discussing before. So let's get it done. Okay. I hope I'm audible enough to you guys. So just a quick recap and let me just change something so that you guys can easily see it. The font size. Okay, now it's great. You guys can see it. Okay, so that just give me a moment. So here you see when we were like using the file functions, so we were opening it. Okay, so what we were doing, we were like using the open function. Okay, when the open function is used with the name of that file and the mode. Okay, so here we are using that talha.txt which is over here, and we are using w which is used for overwriting the file. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. If that file is not there, okay, if that file is not there, so what will happen? That function will create file for you. Okay, that function will create file for you. Okay, and what happened when the file is there and you are using the mode A, that is append. Okay, that is what append. So it will like that if that file has something, some lines written already, so the lines you're going to push will be appended over there like this. See, okay, we have done this. I'm just giving you a quick recap so that we can move further and jump into the oops section abstraction, which is also known as abstract classes. Okay, so here for me and you guys, like file equals this and r. When you want to read that file, you use what? The mode r. You use what? Mode r. Okay, which is meant for reading, which is meant for reading. Okay, so guys, and when we use the function file dot write, so it does what? It writes to that file. Okay, and we as when we like open any of the file, like when we open any of the file, we need to close that. Like if anything is already opened, we need to close that. Okay, like if a door is opened already, so in the end we need to what? Close that. Okay, so here what I told you before, that anything that is open we need to what? Close it, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now moving further forward, you guys can see that I have used a file which is I'm opening, that is streaming, and this, so it will create that file, and it's here. You can see it has a text, I'm streaming. Okay, so what if I changes that, like I'm saying I want to I want to be a streamer. Okay, and now if I run it, what will happen? Okay, let's see what is happening. See, it is appended. It's overwritten, not appended, sorry. It is overwritten, like W is for what? Overwriting the file. Okay, we can use A to append. My audience is great. Okay, so it will do what? Append the text. See, my audience is great. Okay, and whatever I want to append it into the another line, so what I will do is my audience is looking at my code. Oh, what is happening? I'm trying to make like little funny. You okay? So I guess you guys getting it a little bit of something. Like here it is working that backslash n, which means what? You guys know it. Backslash n means what? line. Okay, and backslash t means tab, backslash means backslash b means backspace, a for alert, and it's enough for you guys. Okay, so now I'm going towards the today's topic, that is related to the OOP. I'm going to do is, okay, so let me give me a moment. Moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is like abstract classes dot py. First of all, we need to understand what is abstract. Okay, what is abstract? Or abstract class. Okay, so an abstract class can be considered as a blueprint for other classes. As you all know, it allows us to create a set of methods that must be created within any child classes built from abstract class. Okay, so here I'm telling you guys that abstract class is your superior class or super class. Okay, or super class. Okay, that has a method that is not implemented or not defined. Okay, it acts what as a blueprint for other classes. Okay, that acts as a blueprint for other classes. Okay, so you guys getting it? Are you guys getting that points and all that? And point is that an abstract method is a method that has declaration but does not have an implementation, which is true for what a blueprint. Blueprint has the declaration but does not have that implementation right that time. So moving onwards, why we use abstract classes? Why do we use abstract classes? The point is, when we are like making an API, which is called application program interface, For a set of subclasses, this capability is especially useful in situations where a third party is going to provide implementations such as plugins and your themes, customizations, etc. Okay, or where you are working with a large team and you want to keep your classes the same methods, so you would use abstract classes over there. Okay, any question, guys? Guys, do you have any questions? Okay, let's write that down so that it helps in building API for a set of sub classes. How abstract? By default, Python does not provide abstract classes. Okay, Python does not provide abstract classes. Python comes with a module. Python comes with a module that provides the base for creating abstract classes, which is also known as, see, the abstract classes are known as ABC, okay, which is also like abstract base classes, okay, and that module name is ABC. ABC works by decorating methods of the base class as abstract and then registering concrete classes as implementations of the abstract base. Okay, a method becomes abstract when decorated with the keyword at the rate abstract method. Okay, like when I need to define any of the method as abstract, then I need to use a decorator, okay, which says at the rate abstract method. Okay, so it becomes what? An abstract method. It becomes what? An abstract method, guys. I hope you're having a quick review of what you have studied in object oriented programming. So I hope like it would be clear for you all so that you might have the idea on how to do it. Let's start. Okay, okay, let's do it. First of all, we need to use a library where we should call from abc import abc comma abstract method. Okay, okay, So afterwards, like we like this from abc import abc abstract method, and now I'm going to make a class called animal, and I'm saying it have an abstract method. So I'm defining a method called move. Obviously an animal would have some instinct like it should move, okay, and I'm telling it self, and I'm printing I can move. Okay, so here now I'm making another class called human, and I'm saying animal. Okay, like see what is happening. This is abc abstract method, and this class is what wholly becomes an abstract class, and we called it over here, so it is same as what that behavior. Okay, and if I need to run this out, so I'll say h equals human, and I'll say h.move, and now I'm going to run this up. See what we'll get. I can walk and run. Oh my god. This is too good. It feels like hacker man. Oh my god. Okay. So I guess it's pretty easy. Let's implement something else which we can do very easily. Uh I'm commenting it down. And if you guys want this up, you can obviously email me. Does that sound good? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's import abc class parent. Okay, so that you guys know that what is happening. Define. Oh my god, this is so good, so quick. We'll say learn self and print I'm learning. Okay, class child taking things from parent. Okay, define learn self. I'm learning from my parent. Okay, now for driver code, print is subclass child comma parent. Okay, see, this is the class, this one, and this is the instance. Now this has become what instance. Okay, so see the difference. Okay, both are true. It is also a class, and it is also what instance when we use this thingy. Okay, so I hope you guys having a good time here right now. So I'm just going to do something that is known as calculator in Python, and I'm making a simple calculator so that it will help you all. Let's make it this one quickly. We got this calculator dot py. Okay, so guys, First, we need to make four functions like define, add, and I'm putting x comma y, and I'm returning this. I'm defining sub x comma y. Okay, return this. Define multiply x comma y. Define if x comma y, and this. Okay, and now I'm printing several things. Select operation, and before that I want one thing. Okay, what do we want further? Print I'm making it quick. Okay, so for instance I'm using while so that it will run for the ones, and I'm taking input from the user. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Okay. And we'll see if next calculate is this equals yes. Okay. If this equals this, then we'll continue. And else next calculation is this. Thank you for using our calculator. Okay, I hope you guys got the point. Now let's run it. See, we made 4 of the functions, that is add, subtract, multiply, divide. We used the print function to print out this thing. Like you can say options, and afterwards we have given them a choice like whatever they want to enter. And here what is happening, it is asking like if the user press 1, so if 1 is pressed, so it will be go there. Okay, and so it will be very easy. Like you can see here we have called what, that function. See, and it is also giving you information that x could be any, y could be any. Okay, so it will print out the answers. And see, let's see what's going to happen. Let's run it out. Okay, see, I'm giving 1, pressing enter. He wants me to enter first number, so I'm entering 4 and I'm entering 5. So see, it is 4 plus 5 equals 9. See, we're using float over here. Okay, see, number 1, number 2, and this. Okay, do you want to continue? If I say yes, what will happen? See, wow, amazing. Do you see? Do you want to continue? When I press Y, what it says, continue. And where it took, where it goes now, it starts from here again. Okay, so let's do another calculation, give it a try. I'm giving 7, now I'm giving 9, and it's -2. It's too good. And do you want to continue? I'm saying no. Thank you for using our calculator. See ya, bye bye. I hope you guys having a good time here, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope it is like fulfilling your needs or some information. I hope it's good to have you guys here. So now it's time to go. Yeah, over there. Next, in the next stream. But I'm thinking to do the next stream of Valorant. Okay, so I'm thinking to do it of Valorant the next, or maybe tomorrow. I'm thinking like to give you some gaming stuff, some important thing. So see ya, bye bye, have a good weekend. Let's